Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, specifically designed for those who need high-quality large format printing. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the HP DesignJet T230 large format 24-inch plotter printer, which promises to revolutionize the way architects, engineers, and construction industry professionals work. With its impressive set of features and capabilities, this printer is definitely worth checking out. First, let's talk about the warranty and support that comes with this printer. The HP DesignJet T230 includes a 2-year warranty care pack, which provides on-site and remote support, HP parts, and fast device service as soon as the next business day if your issue can't be resolved. This means that you can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case anything goes wrong with your printer. As someone who's worked with printers before, I can tell you that having reliable support is crucial, especially when you're working on critical projects with tight deadlines. With this warranty, you can focus on your work without worrying about the what-ifs. Another key feature of the HP DesignJet T230 is its ability to handle a wide range of media sizes. This printer can handle up to 24-inch wide media rolls, making it perfect for large format prints such as technical line drawings, blueprints, posters, and indoor signage. It can also handle up to 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the optional automatic sheet feeder accessory, which is great for printing smaller documents like sewing patterns and maps. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or construction industry professional, this printer has got you covered. I've seen firsthand how this printer can produce high-quality prints that are both precise and vibrant, making it an essential tool for anyone in these fields. The media handling capabilities of the HP DesignJet T230 are also worth mentioning. This printer features sheet feed, roll feed, and an automatic horizontal cutter, making it easy to print and cut your documents with precision. But what really sets this printer apart is its ability to print multi-size projects automatically, without needing to manually switch the media source. This is a huge time saver, especially when you're working on complex projects that require multiple print sizes. And with cost-saving efficiencies like using 95% less ink for routine maintenance compared to other competitor plotter printers, you can save money and reduce waste. I've been impressed by how this printer can streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your work. But what really gets me excited about the HP DesignJet T230 is its potential to transform the way you work. Imagine being able to print high-quality large format documents with ease, without having to worry about the hassle and expense of outsourcing your printing needs. With this printer, you can take control of your printing and produce professional quality documents in-house, saving you time and money in the long run. Whether you're working on an architectural project, engineering design, or construction plan, this printer has the capability to produce stunning prints that will impress your clients and colleagues. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T230 large format 24-inch plotter printer is an incredible piece of technology that offers a wide range of benefits for professionals who need high-quality large format printing. With its reliable warranty and support, versatile media handling capabilities, and cost-saving efficiencies, this printer is a game-changer for anyone in the architecture, engineering, and construction industries. So if you're in the market for a new printer that can take your work to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the HP DesignJet T230.